Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word fruition, its meaning, definition and the example. Fruition. The definition of fruition is the realization of a goal or the end of a plan when success occurs. The synonyms of fruition are achievement, fulfillment, success, realization. Now let me show the example of fruition word in sentences are: I could easily foresee the sort of problems which have come to fruition. Now his evil deed comes to full fruition on the eve of the crucifixion. We could really see the gradual fruition of a long, nurturing process. Will the ultimate plan of the Master of the sinners reach fruition? Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.